Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. So to get started, I'm going to be putting on my moisturizer. Today I'm using the Drunk Elephant moisturizer. This one's really hydrating since I have very dry skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. primer. This is the hydrating primer, so this is really good for dry skin as well. So I just filmed a video on how I do my eyebrows, so I'm not going to show you how I do them here. So I'm already coming on to you with one eyebrow done, and I'm just going to carve it out so that it looks nice and clean. If you're interested in that video, I will link it below. For foundation, I'm going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am in the shade Vanuatu. I'm just going to be using a beauty blender to blend that all out. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade Neutralizer. I'm just going to be applying that under my eyes to hide my dark circles, and then I'm going to blend it out with the Beauty Blender. Am I the only one who makes the craziest faces when you do your makeup? To set my concealer, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes with the Beauty Blender again. Once I've applied all the setting powder, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and sweep away all the excess. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be going in with the Fit Me powder. I am in the color 310, and that's also Sun Beige. To contour my cheeks, I'm going in with the shade Debutante by Morphe. Y'all peep the toddler in the background running around. For blush, I'm using the shade Spirit by Morphe. For my highlight, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty, and I have the shades Mean Money and Hustler Baby. I'm going to go in with another highlight just to layer on top of that Hustler Baby that I put on. I like a very dramatic highlighted look. So I usually don't do too much on my eyes, but today I'm going in with like a medium brown color in my crease, and then on my lid I'm going to put a shimmery pink color. So for my inner corner, I'm just going in with this lighter color to put right in the crease. So for mascara, I'm using the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I love this mascara. It works really well. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Ludwig. Once that dries down to a matte finish, I'm going to go over it with my Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. So to set my face, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Spray. This one's really good for dry skin too. It's very hydrating, so your face isn't cakey by the end of the day. Here's a little dance break by me and Adeline. So that's pretty much it for this look, guys. I'm going to show you a little OOTD. I have on a striped bodycon skirt with a black shirt just tucked into it. Look at that highlight. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.